These are the parking elevators at the Element in Tampa, Florida. That's actually a really low-pitched overbuzz. ThyssenKrupp Aurora fixtures, as you can see. Here is the garage, although it looks like it actually goes up higher. Traditional call button out here. Let's go to lobby. We can't ride the hotel's elevators because you need a key card to get in. Basically, the elevators are key carded off, not in the sense that you can't access floors, but you can't access the elevators themselves, as in it's in a room. Inspection certificate's expired. Yeah, that says leasing office, I think. It's kind of hard to read. All right, that'll be it.